So yesterday I did a what I eat in the day video and I forgot to film the intro, but if you'd like to see what I eat in the day on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to, well, actually yesterday I had filmed a day, what I ate in the day video, and I'm sharing it with you today. So I filmed the what I ate in the day video, what I ate on my day off, but I forgot to film some intros and outros. So I'm putting them in here, and I just wanted to share with you that I have been working pretty much 6 days a week late. And I haven't had time to do a lot of videos, but so I'm just sharing this one with you. I will be back from Florida in about a week, and I will be starting off some new videos, what I eat in a week. When I get back, I'm going to do, so be sure to watch those. I hope you enjoy this, what I eat in a day from Florida. Well, here it is. Let's get cooking. For breakfast, I am going to mash a banana. Then I add a half a cup of quick cooking oats, a half a cup of sugar-free vanilla almond milk, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar-free maple syrup. Then I microwave it for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to top it with some frozen blueberries that I heated up in the microwave with a little bit of Splenda. And that is my breakfast. It is going to be 1 point. And it's a real yummy breakfast, so try it. Today's exercise is golfing. I'm golfing 9 holes on my day off. Hopefully get some steps in. And I'm still in Florida. On the golf course is joining us a little iguana. Well, it's a big iguana. There's another iguana with a long tail. He's taking a walk. So after golf, I came home and went in the pool to cool off, and now we're gonna make some burgers and hot dogs for lunch. You can have anything you want on the WW Personal Points Plan. Lower the points, lose a lower fat meat, and I'll show it to you when it's done. This kind of ground beef comes in at 2 points for 3 ounces pre-cooked, so it's a really cheap way to have a burger. 96% lean, 4% fat. And I'm gonna mix it with some spices and some Worcestershire sauce and make some burgers. And these hot dogs, Hebrew National 97% fat-free, are only 1 point per hot dog. So I'm gonna make one of those. So I'm gonna have a hot dog and a hamburger. I'm grilling some onions in an onion spray to add to the burger, and I will probably put a 1 piece of Velveeta cheese on the burger. And there is my lunch. I have a 1 point hot dog with a 1 point keto bun. And there's my burger. It is 3 points for the burger, 1 point for the cheese, and 3 points for the bun, and then 3 points worth of fries. Getting a little bit of a walk on the beach today. Our Florida winter is winding down, and we'll be going home soon. So I thought I'd stop at the beach one more time on my day off. This is a place in North Miami called Holiver Park Beach. There's an inlet where the boats go through, and it's featured on YouTube a lot, and we wanted to go see it. It wasn't a really big boating day this day, but it was cool to watch the boats try to get through the big waves that are coming in from the ocean. So for tonight's dinner, I am making some chicken chow mein. And for this recipe, I need 3 cups of chopped up chicken. I have 2 medium onions chopped up, 2 cups of celery chopped. I have cornstarch, soy sauce, bean sprouts, some light butter, salt and pepper, and white rice. And then I garnish it with some crunchy chow mein noodles, which is, you don't have to use it, but it makes it a little bit higher in points. So this chow mein recipe is only 1 point per serving. Then you have to add points for the rice and the chow mein noodles. And it is a very tasty recipe. So here we go. Let's get cooking. Normally I make this in a wok, but since I'm in Florida, I don't have my wok with me. So I'm going to start off with a pan, and I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of light butter. Then I'm going to add the 2 medium onions that I chopped up. Then I'm going to add the 3 cups of chicken that I chopped, and I'm going to sear that. Then I added the 2 cups of chopped celery to the pan, and I will saute that for about 5 minutes. Then I add 2 teaspoons of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cups of hot water, 2 cans of drained bean sprouts, and I dissolve 4 tablespoons of cornstarch in 2/3 a cup of cold water, and I'll add that. Then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to add just about a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And I'm covering, and I'm going to simmer for about 5 minutes. I have prepared 3 cups of rice, so I have it ready. And there's my meal. I have 6 points for the white rice, 1 point for the chicken chow mein, and 2 points of noodles, the crunchy chow mein noodles. So that is 9 points. And if you didn't want to eat the rice or the noodles, it could be just a 1 point dinner. For a snack, I had this Quest protein bar, oatmeal chocolate chip. It is only 3 points on my Weight Watcher personal points plan. So that's going to be the end of my What I Ate in a Day video. I forgot to do the outro, and I am at work the next day, and it is a sunset in Florida. So I hope you enjoyed it. I used 26 of my points on the Weight Watcher personal points plan. If you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.